What is database and database management system? As we seen, tables are used to store the data. This is the table and this is another table. You can maintain the relation between these tables. These collection of related tables called as database. Database Management System DBMS is a software program that enables the creation and management of databases. The software that allows a computer to perform database functions of storing, retrieving, deleting and modifying data. Let us see some database functions. First, storing. You can store the data into the database. Retrieving. You can retrieve the data from the database. Modifying. You can modify the existing data. Deleting. You can delete the specified data. These are all basic database management operations. We know what is the database management system. Now let us see what is the purpose of database management system. Database management system DBMS is to transform data to information, which gives knowledge to perform decision making. This is the data. From this data you can get the information which gives knowledge. It leads to take decision, that is action. We know what is the purpose of database management system. Now let us see some elements of database. Database is the collection of related tables. Now let us take one table to describe its elements. This is the database table. Field. A single item of data common to all records. Here the table fields are class, boys, girls. It means in class column you are going to store class information. In boys column you are going to save boys information. Similarly in girls column you are going to save girls information. Record. A record is a collection of data about an individual item. Here the example is class 10th, boys 30, girls 20. This record will give you the information 10th class boys are 30 and girls are 20. This is one record. Table. A set of related records is called as table. The data stored in the database in the form of table. We know the elements of table. Now let us understand how does the table field takes the data. Table having many fields and table stores various types of data. While creating the field, you need to specify the data type of it. And the data type depends on the data that you are going to store in that field. This is my database table. Here I am extending my table by adding some fields. You can see data added to the fields as per the data type of it. Now let us see data type one by one. Text. When you specify the table's field data type as text, then you can store alphabets, numbers and symbols in that field. Number data type. A number field does not accept text or symbols. It stores only number. Number fields are useful to perform calculation. The another data type, date and time. Date and time field allows you to store date and time. Currency. Currency field contains symbol for currencies, decimal and commas where needed. Memo is one type of data type using which you can store large amount of text like paragraph. Now you understand that table having different fields to store different types of data. Let us see in coming sessions how to create the table with the different fields to store the different types of data. Computer role in databases. Let us understand the computer role in utilizing database technology. These are database tables, and let's say this is a database. Here I am connecting my computer to database management system. Computers can store large amount of data. Like this, you can store unlimited data. Computers can access and display data very fast. Here, computer getting data from database and displaying. Searching for particular information is very fast and easy. Let's say here I am searching for a record 108. It is searching for the specified record. And the record is displayed. Data can be shared in computer network. See, you can connect required number of computers to the database to utilize database services. Data can be presented in desired manner. This is the one way of presentation of data, and this is the another way. Like this, you can present the data as you wish. Database management software. Special software programs are designed to achieve all database management system needs. And the following are popular examples for a different database management software. Microsoft Access, popularly known as MS Access, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle. These are different database management systems, look differently, but generally there are number of common features that you will see across most of them. You are going to learn Microsoft Access as database management system. It is one of the Microsoft Corporation software products available in MS Office. Introduction to Microsoft Access, that is MS Access. MS Access is the database software allows you to manage your information in one database file. It consists 4 major areas: tables, forms, queries, and reports. Tables. Data stored in the database in the form of tables. A database contains one or more tables. This is an example for tables data in MS Access. Forms. Form is another view of tables data. You can make necessary modifications in the tables data using forms. End user who doesn't have the software knowledge can operate the data using forms. This is how MS Access form looks like. Queries. Query is a database command used to manage the data of various tables in the database. Reports. Reports are print format of the data and queries are used to generate these reports. This is how the report format looks like in MS Access. Exploring Microsoft Access window. Here we are going to understand various utilities of Microsoft Access. As all we know, MS Access is used to create databases. This is Microsoft Office button. Allows you to create a database, open an existing database, save as, print, manage the database and close the database. In this option, you can see recently opened databases also. This is Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is a customizable toolbar that contains commands that you want to use quickly. By default, it includes save, undo and redo command. Here you can choose the required commands to add to Quick Access Toolbar. Title bar. Title bar displays the name of the database. These are minimize, maximize and exit button. This is the ribbon menu. Ribbon menu contains set of commands in group wise. These commands are very essential to operate the database. This is help button. Gives you all the information about MS Access. This is the navigation pane. Is used to navigate between different tables, views and forms. This is the datasheet view. This enables you to display the selected item in navigation pane. This is the shutter bar and is used to close or open navigation pane. This is the datasheet view. Which enables you to display the selected item in navigation pane. ID is the default auto number for the table. Add new field enables you to add a new field for the table. You will learn in detail about this in coming lessons. This is the status bar.